Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving into an exciting platform that brings a fresh perspective to your product photography game. If you've been looking to enhance your images with stunning backgrounds and professional touches, you're in for a treat. We'll take you through a step-by-step journey to unlock the full potential of this innovative tool. From generating captivating product photos to selecting the perfect backdrop, our walkthrough will leave you amazed at what's possible. So grab your favorite beverage because we're about to unveil a whole new level of creativity. Visit ProductShots AI. The link can be found in the description. Access the platform by logging in using your Gmail account. Click on the option to generate product photos. Proceed by clicking the Get Started button. Input the required information, including some random details if needed. Afterward, click on the Continue button. This is where you can upload a photo. Let's choose a good quality image to work with. Opt for a high quality photo of an apple as our product image. Upload the chosen photo to the product. Provide a name and package name. Be patient as the upload process. Note that a free account will grant, which you can see here. You can find more information about your credit details on this page. Once the image is successfully uploaded, proceed by clicking Continue. Your dashboard will become accessible, providing various options. Initially, the platform will remove the background of the product image. Explore the pre-built background options, such as studio, indoor, outdoor, and seasonal modes. Let's choose the outdoor lake mode for a refreshing background. This mode is accompanied by a prompt. Moreover, in an upgraded version, you can add your own mode. Proceed by clicking the Generate button to initiate the process. On the left side, images with their newly added backgrounds will be rendered. Once an image is loaded successfully, you can preview it. To download the edited image with the new background, simply click the Download Image button. You'll be able to appreciate the seamless blending of the original and background images. Feel free to experiment with another mode. Click Generate again. After selecting an image you like, go ahead and download it. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our adventure into the world of transforming product photography. The ability to seamlessly integrate captivating backgrounds with your product images is truly a game changer. Whether you're a business owner looking to elevate your brand or a creative enthusiast seeking to make your visuals pop, this platform has something incredible to offer. Remember, it's all about experimenting, discovering new modes, and letting your creativity run wild. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep capturing those picture-perfect moments. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on latest AI tools. Thank you for now, bye-bye.